Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the fascinating process of building a modern mud house with a tile roof, using traditional tools and techniques. If you're interested in sustainable living and eco-friendly construction, this is the video for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. First, we start with the planning and designing phase. It's essential to create a detailed blueprint of the mud house, considering factors like the size, number of rooms, and layout. Modern mud houses blend traditional methods with contemporary design elements to ensure both aesthetics and functionality. Next, we gather all the necessary materials. The primary materials include mud, the main ingredient for constructing the walls, straw or animal dung. These are mixed with mud to enhance its strength and insulation properties. Wood, used for the framework and structural support. Tiles. For the roof, we will be using traditional clay tiles. Traditional tools, such as shovels, trowels, and wooden molds. We will show you how to prepare the perfect mud mixture. Mix soil and water in a large pit until it reaches a thick, malleable consistency. Add straw or animal dung to the mixture to improve its durability. This step is crucial for ensuring the longevity and stability of the mud walls. With our mud mixture ready, we move on to constructing the walls. We'll demonstrate the traditional method of layering mud on a wooden frame, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. This process not only strengthens the walls, but also provides excellent thermal insulation. Once the framework is in place, we'll carefully lay down the clay tiles, ensuring they are securely positioned to prevent leaks and withstand harsh weather conditions. The final touches include smoothing out the walls, adding windows and doors, and applying a natural sealant to protect the mud from erosion. These steps not only enhance the house's durability, but also give it a polished, modern look. A beautiful, modern mud house with a tile roof built using traditional tools and techniques. We hope you enjoyed this journey and learned something new about sustainable construction. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on eco-friendly living. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.